myself Rajkumar Saini. I am from Computer Science Department. First of all, I would like to thank Placement Board for providing me the platform to share my interview experience with you all. I am placed at Epic System Corporation as a software developer. Epic System Corporation is a private healthcare software company headquartered in Wisconsin, US. It holds the patient records. According to company data, it holds 54% of patient records in US and 2.5% of patient records all over the world. Selection procedure consists of 3 rounds, 1 written round and 2 telephonic interview rounds. Round 1 is written round. It is the main round in the entire selection procedure. It consists of 4 sections. Section 1 is general aptitude, in which simple mathematical questions were asked. Section 2 is a new language round, in which you are given some set of rules and you have to solve the questions using that set of rules. Section 3 is basically 2-minute round, in which you are given 2 minutes and 10 questions. You have to solve those 10 questions in 2 minutes. And section 4 is programming round, in which you are given 4 programming questions that you can code in C, C++ or Java. Basically, you are not provided any compiler, you are given a notepad and you have to code on the notepad. So you should take care of this thing, that you properly identify your code and write proper comments so that your code is easily readable to them. Around 150 students set for the written round and 14 got selected for telephonic interviews. Telephonic interview consists of 2 telephonic interviews. One is your technical interview and other is HR interview. In technical round, he basically focused on my project that I did in Amazon during my intern. So basically he is interested in each and every minute details about my project, like what are my role, what I did, what the problem I faced, why I did that thing, why I don't do that thing and all. We had around 30 minutes of discussion on my project. After the project discussion, he asked me few simple basic coding questions. They were very simple, like find the last node, nth last node, and other is check whether 2 strings are anagram or not. So these are very basic questions. He just want to test my basics. Then after these 2 questions, I had a open discussion round. He gave me open-ended question. I have to design a database. After my technical round, I had my HR. I got a call from my HR. She asked questions from my resume. Basically, she wanted to know about my interns, my projects, which project I like most, why, what are the problems faced, and all. So, and some few typical HR questions, like whether I am able to relocate to Wisconsin, whether I am ready to travel, as Epic Systems involve a lot of travel. So all these HR questions, and it took around 30 minutes. For companies like Epic System, you should have, apart from coding knowledge, you should have good knowledge of data structure, databases and operating systems. In Epic, all the rounds are telephonic, so your communication skills should be good enough so that you can express yourself on the phone. For more queries regarding the Epic selection procedure or other coding companies, please comment below. I would be more than happy to answer your questions. And for more, subscribe our channel.